There is new information emerging about the 400cc four-cylinder motorcycle that Honda is developing. There are two versions under development, a full-cowl version and a naked version. As was previously stated, the naked version is the subject of this study. Young Machine has acquired fresh information that suggests the design is a worthy replacement for the CB400 Super Four. The external design is much more intriguing. There is currently no information available, but Young Machine predicts with optimism that it will resemble the CBX400F. Additional speculative computer-generated imagery has been published by outside media, including pictures like the CB400 Four. But according to fresh information, Honda's new 400 naked four-cylinder engine development is headed toward adopting the CB400 Super Four's architecture. One of the well-known motorcycles that may be considered the face of the Japanese 400 is the CB400 SF, which was introduced in 1992 and will be admitted into the Hall of Fame in 2022. Its user base and prominence have grown significantly throughout its 30 years of continuous operation, surpassed the CBX 400F and 400. In light of this, it seems sense that Honda would want to check out its brand new four-cylinder CB400 SF. It should not be surprising that the brand is developing two versions, a naked version and a faired version, since Honda has employed similar tactic on other models such as the CB650R and CBR650R. The Japanese colleague affirmed that the Honda CB400 Super Four will serve as inspiration for the model's looks. It is important to keep in mind that the CB400 SF will not be available for purchase in the land of the rising sun until 2022. Since the inline four-cylinder engine will be brand new, it obviously surpasses the requirements of the Euro 5 homologation, which will take effect in 2025. Honda will create a model that is very in-house, balanced, and suitable for all audiences rather than attempting to outperform the Kawasaki ZX4R Brigade. Due to the 2025 Honda CB400 Super Four II engine's estimated power output of 70 horsepower. Furthermore, it will be available as an option in conjunction with the E-clutch assisted clutch system. Although the exact release date of the Honda CB400 Super Four II is uncertain, Japanese sources indicate autumn 2025. Wyang Honda is most likely going to build it in Guangzhou, China, and there could even be a 500cc variant made just for that market. We'll update you on developments.